how to add a promo code at Amazon AU checkout. So it's like really easy. All you need to do is first of all get into your Amazon, make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, what are we going to do is simply select the exact item you want to buy, right? So let's just go with this particular item, and then from here, what you're going to do is simply tap on buy now. So in order to add in your promotional code, first of all, what you're going to do is make sure you have selected an exact address. So what I'm going to do is deliver to this address. If you want to edit it, you can do it, and then you and then you would need to select a payment method. And in here, after selecting a payment method, we also have the option of gift card and promotional codes, right? So all you need to do is simply enter or paste the exact code from your promotional code right here, and then tap on apply. So after doing that here, when you go in the confirm order option, on your subtotal, it will your discount will actually be applied, and it will obviously be reflected on your total order summary. So yeah, that is exactly how you will be able to do it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.